Hello, welcome to Makellos Classics. My name is Tom Muehl, and today we're going to be talking about a 1997 993 Turbo. The car came here from a previous customer who purchased a car from us, and we did some work on it. He purchased the car online on Bring a Trailer, sight unseen. Came from the Midwest, I believe it came from Illinois. He had the car shipped to us without actually him even seeing it, and then asked us to go ahead and make a list on the car, go through it, see what it needs, and take it from there. So we went ahead and did that, went around the car. I went pretty thorough inspection on the car. It was very sound to begin with. The major thing was with the suspension. We had some brake issues and then some oil leaks on the motor. So we went ahead and quoted out that work. We went ahead and started on it, and right now we're in the process of actually finishing it up. We ended up upgrading the suspension to Bilstein PS10s. We had the calipers redone. The motor was out. Upon the motor inspection, there were some shoddy oil leaks, excuse me, oil leak repairs from the previous owner or whoever had done it. And so we went ahead and did a valve job on the motor, re-ringed it, basically did a reseal on the motor. It was not necessary to go into the bottom end after inspection. Once the cylinders came off, it only has about 52,000 miles on the car. So yeah, so we're finishing it up right now. It's probably a pretty mild job that we've done compared to some of the cars we have here. We didn't have to do anything in the body. The interior wise, the car is really in excellent shape. It showed really well on Bring a Trailer, but sometimes things don't go that well all the time anyway. So yeah, that's about what we have going on with this car right now, and I can run you through some of it in a bit. Okay, hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was informative for you, and then looking forward to show you through the next project we have going. Thanks a lot.